Before we begin, I want you to make a small promise to yourself. For the next 15 minutes, you are not going to be shy. You are not going to whisper. You are not going to stay silent. You are going to repeat after me, clearly, confidently, and without fear. Because today is not about learning English. Today is about using English. And there is a big difference between learning and using. Many people learn for years. Very few actually use. That is why today you are different. You are not here to watch. You are here to speak. So sit straight, take a deep breath, and say this sentence with power. I am ready to speak English. Again, louder. I am ready to speak English confidently. Good. That is how confidence begins. Not in your grammar book, but in your voice. Now listen carefully. Most English learners think they need more vocabulary. They think they need more grammar. They think they need more advanced lessons. But the real problem is hesitation. The real problem is overthinking. When someone asks you a simple question like, "How are you?" your brain starts searching for the perfect answer. And in that searching, you freeze. So today, we remove that pressure. Today, you will not search for perfect sentences. You will build automatic responses. And the fastest way to build automatic speaking skill is simple. Repeat after me. Not silently, out loud. Even if you feel strange, even if someone is sitting next to you. Because growth feels uncomfortable at first. Let's begin with very simple daily sentences. Repeat after me slowly and clearly. Good morning. How are you today? Pause and repeat it again. I'm feeling good today. Again. I'm a little tired, but I'm okay. Good. Now slightly faster. Today is going to be productive. Excellent. These are not complicated sentences, but when you repeat them, your mouth becomes familiar with the rhythm of English. Fluency is rhythm. Fluency is flow. And flow comes from repetition. Now imagine you are getting ready for your day. Repeat after me. I need to finish my work. I have a lot to do today. I will manage my time properly. Good. Again with confidence. I can handle this. I am improving every day. Feel that shift inside you. Speaking positive sentences trains both your English and your mindset at the same time. This is not just language practice. This is confidence training. Now let's increase the speed slightly. Repeat after me naturally. What time is the meeting? The meeting starts at 9. Let's begin on time. Could you please explain that again? That makes sense. Very good. Notice how natural that sounds. These are real workplace sentences. You are not memorizing, you are training your response system. Now imagine you are having a casual conversation with someone. Repeat after me. What did you do yesterday? I stayed at home and relaxed. That sounds nice. I went out with some friends. We had a great time. Again, but smoother. We had a great time. Excellent. Your mouth is getting more comfortable. Your brain is getting faster. Now, let's practice expressing opinions. Repeat after me. I think this is a good idea. In my opinion, we should try again. I believe we can improve. Personally, I prefer simple solutions. Very good. Opinion phrases make you sound fluent immediately because they allow you to speak longer sentences without difficulty. Now we will practice confidence under slight pressure. I will say a sentence, and you repeat it immediately without waiting too long. Ready? I am not afraid to speak. Mistakes help me grow. I don't need perfect English. I just need practice. Again, a little faster. I just need practice. Perfect. Now imagine you are ordering something at a cafe. Repeat after me. Can I get a coffee, please? I would like a sandwich. Is this available? Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Excellent. These are small, real-life interactions. When you master small interactions, big conversations become easier. Now let's challenge your flow. Repeat this full paragraph after me in smaller parts. Today I decided to stop being silent. I realized that waiting for perfect English was stopping my progress. So I started speaking, even when I felt nervous. And slowly, I became more confident. Break it into parts and repeat each sentence clearly. This is how you build longer speaking ability. Now I want you to repeat emotional strength sentences. I am proud of myself. I am improving step by step. Every day I speak better. Confidence is growing inside me. Again with energy, feel it in your voice, because your tone changes how you feel. Now let's move to daily life situations. Repeat after me. Where are you going? I'm heading to work. Are you busy later? Let's catch up soon. That sounds like a plan. Good. You are speaking naturally now. Let's increase difficulty slightly with connected speech. Repeat smoothly. I'm going to try again. I want to improve. I've got to focus. Notice how natural contractions make you sound more fluent. Speak relaxed, not robotic. English is music. Let it flow. Now here's something powerful. I want you to close your eyes for 5 seconds and imagine yourself speaking confidently in a real conversation. See it clearly. Hear your voice steady and calm. Now repeat after me. I speak clearly. People understand me. I communicate confidently. Visualization plus repetition strengthens belief. Now we build stamina. I will give you a longer speaking drill. Repeat each sentence strongly. Learning English is a journey. Sometimes it feels slow, but every small effort counts. When I repeat daily, my brain adapts. When I practice daily, my fear decreases. And when fear decreases, confidence increases. Take a breath. Repeat again smoothly. You are doing something most learners never do. You are actively training your speaking muscles. And just like physical exercise, repetition creates strength. At first it feels awkward. Then it feels normal. Then it feels natural. Now let's practice quick responses. I ask, you answer immediately. How was your day? Repeat. It was productive. What are your plans? Repeat. I'm going to practice English. Are you confident? Repeat. Yes, I am. Fast responses reduce hesitation. Now we finish with a powerful confidence declaration. Repeat after me slowly and clearly. I don't wait anymore. I don't hide anymore. I speak. I grow. I improve. Again with strength. I speak English confidently. You started this session maybe feeling unsure. Maybe you thought your English was not good enough. But in these 15 minutes, you spoke dozens of sentences. You trained your rhythm. You strengthened your voice. And most importantly, you proved to yourself that you can speak. After this video ends, don't stop. Record your voice for 1 minute. Speak about your day. Don't pause, don't judge, just speak. Tomorrow, repeat this practice. The next day, repeat again. Confidence is not magic. It is repetition plus courage. And one day, very soon, someone will ask you a question in English. And instead of freezing, you will answer naturally. Not because you memorized, but because you practiced. Remember this moment. The moment you decided to stop watching and start speaking. The moment you stopped waiting and started doing. Fluency is built daily. Confidence is built daily. And today, you took a powerful step. So say it one last time with me, strong, clear, and fearless. I speak English confidently. And this time, believe it.